Hello everyone, welcome back again. In this video, we will take a look at the cup and handle pattern on the cryptopy.net website and see how to scan for it. First, let's go to the cryptopy.net website. Then, click on the Chart Patterns button. Then, click on the Type section at the top of the page and select the cup and handle option from there. As you can see, we found many cup and handle patterns. Now let's check them one by one. First, let's change the page length to 25 from here. Let's look at the first one, YGG/USDT PERT on the 15-minute timeframe and bullish direction. To examine the formation drawing, let me click on the Chart button. As seen, there is a very nicely formed cup and handle pattern. Let's click on the X button to close the chart. The second cup and handle formation result is ZIL/USDT PERP. Let's check out the last one, ENJ/USDT PERP on the 15 minutes timeframe and upward direction. We can see that it has formed nicely in this pattern. Let's zoom in and take a closer look. Here, we can observe that the price has broken the neckline of the formation and retraced to the neckline for a retest. Let's scroll down the page and draw this pattern on the TradingView chart. Zoom in the TradingView chart. To drawing this pattern on the TradingView chart, select the Curve tool from this Drawing Tools section. Here, we see that the price has broken the neckline of the formation and retraced to the neckline for a retest. Let's close the chart. You can easily scan and thoroughly examine both cup and handle formations and other patterns in this way. Thank you for your watching. See you in the next videos.